Welcome back to WanderWild Diaries. If you are planning a trip to Amboli Waterfall, don't leave just yet. In this video, we'll explore three beautiful places nearby: Mahadevgad Point, Hiranyakeshi Temple, and Kavalessad Point. So let's get started. Our first stop is Mahadevgad Point, a perfect place to enjoy sweeping views of Sahyadri Hills and the valleys below. From mountain views, we now head towards one of the Amboli's most peaceful locations. Nestled amidst lush greenery, Hiranyakeshi Temple is known as the birthplace of Hiranyakeshi River, a serene spot where nature and spirituality meet. Our final stop offers some of the most dramatic views in Amboli. Welcome to Kavalessad Point. During the monsoon, mist-covered valleys, cascading waterfalls, and endless greenery make this one of Amboli's most spectacular viewpoints. Whether you are here for the waterfall or exploring beyond it, Amboli has something special around every corner. Thanks for joining me on this journey. See you in the next adventure.